Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me take you to one of my first project in the metro. We will not go far from my other project that I have showed you on my previous vlog. But then again, let's leave my client their privacy on the whereabouts of their location. Although, for a background, my clients are from Region 6. They invested the place to stay in Manila whenever the family needs to stay in the city. They also intend to enroll this unit in Airbnb. Tara, let's start the walkthrough. This time, I will share some of my design secret and how I go about compounding my designs as per my client requirement, of course. For design concept, usually what client wanted are those they see on magazines or what are the trends currently. Well, I always suggest to go practical and how they will use it on a normal daily life. Then comes the tiny inserts and pop-ups of the trend. Second is the colors. This will have a huge impact on the total look of the space. The paints, the lighting, the furniture, fixtures, and of course the accessories. Everything must collaborate together harmoniously. Unlike other projects I have done, my responsibility will stop in supplying fixtures. However, on this project, I needed to provide accessories like kitchen pots and pans, plates and glasses, and down to towels and linen. So here comes the fun part. Shopping! Choosing the styles, fabric, paints, or accent wallpapers may seem to be overwhelming. Here comes my blessings. This is my favorite task to do, to choose from piles of materials and combine them all, of course, in a harmonious manner. Yes, I love fixing things and making it something beautiful. But before we continue, please help me spread beauty and good vibes by subscribing, liking, and hitting that notification bell, and spread this video by simply sharing. Are you ready to see the outcome? Let's reveal. I call this renovation interior enhancement, where we improve our personal space for our own liking and living requirements. No walls were added nor removed. We just add some items that we needed eventually in occupying the space. This space is 34 square meter but can accommodate 6 sleeping capacity with rooms for luggages for transients. The kitchen can accommodate light normal cooking for longer transients. A family of 4 can live here comfortably. As mentioned, the client intends to lease this down on an Airbnb. To complete their requirement, we provide them a complete kitchen setup. Since the unit floor is located on a higher floor, we have provided that bedroom a semi-blackout curtain. At the same time, sheer curtain drops to appreciate the beauty of the city light at night. Hope you enjoy watching and learning some of our walkthrough. Till our next design adventure, please subscribe, like, and share. See you soon.